You may not know, September is Life Insurance Awareness Month. Life insurance, sometimes it's difficult to talk about, but it's ultimately about protecting those you care about from unexpected and easing their financial burdens during some difficult times and, can be some emotional times. So here to discuss this, our AAA automotive expert, our buddy Skylar McKinley's here. Thanks for being here. Why should Colorados look into their life insurance now, for example?
September's a good time because it is Life Insurance Awareness Month, and I think really you're exactly right. Calling it life insurance is kind of a misnomer. It really is about your family and your loved ones. What we know from our research is that 7 in 10 U.S. households would have significant problems making ends meet in the months after losing their primary wage earner. That's what life insurance covers. A lot of folks think, oh, well, it might just be funeral costs or medical bills. Those will be covered, but it's also, hey, now my kids can go to college, or that we paid the mortgage off, or they've got their day-to-day living expenses covered.
There may be more than you realize. A lot of people, when they think life insurance, they think expensive. Is that correct?
No, we've done surveys of this. 80% of U.S. consumers say it's way more expensive than it is, with a lot of consumers saying it costs double. A lot of it kind of depends on who you are and what your needs are, right? So it's really worth looking into, but thinking that it's, too expensive to have, I think it's probably too expensive to not have, given, all of the emotional difficulties and financial burdens that might come out of an unexpected death.
Now, there are 1,000 opinions on this one. How much life insurance do you need? How do you calculate that?
Right, and don't always fall for the ads on television. I always suggest calling an agent, but typically the rule of thumb is about 5 to 10 times your annual earnings to keep your family safe. And also don't think you only need to have life insurance once you have kids. That makes sense to support your family once you're gone, but it's also, if you're young and single and not married, it's making sure that your outstanding debt doesn't get passed on to someone. If you're recently married and just bought a home, it's making sure that that mortgage can be paid off. Really, it's just about protecting against the unexpected.
And it is a little cheaper when you buy it younger.
Right.
Yeah. All right, Skylar, thank you.
Thanks.
All right, thanks, guys.